Hanger production line, quals hanger manufacturing machine. The hanger production line mainly consists of wiring machine, semi-automatic discharge line machine, full automatic wiring machine, hanger manufacturing molding machine. The raw materials for the hanger are usually 1.8 mm to 2.0 mm wire. Galvanized wire, machining wire maximum diameter of 2.5 mm. Industry quals hanger machine production line can process various sizes of quals hangers. Special shape can be customized, generally can make 16 inches, 19 inches size hanger. And quals hanger factories can also process a variety of types quals stand, such as black wire hanger, hot galvanized hanger, electric galvanized hanger, PVC hanger, butterfly type hanger, welding molding hanger, etc. Our company can customize the customer requirements. How to turn a steel wire into a coat hanger. Production process of coat hanger production line. 1. Processing steps of the coat hanger production line. 2. Hanger processing related equipment. Steps of the coat hanger production line. Step 1. Dispatch out the line machine. Step 2. Coat hanger making machine. Why did I choose a coat hanger production line? Fact of quals hanger manufacturing machine. What size of the hanger can your hanger production line produce? Can your factory machines produce coated hanger? What are the parameters of your coat hanger molding machine? Can your processing lines process different shapes of hanger? In addition to the hanger machine, can you still provide the wire to make the hanger? Can you help to install and debug the coat hanger production line? Can you use video instruction if there is a fault in use? How to turn a steel wire into a coat hanger. When making the hanger, it is necessary to put the wire on the hanger first, and then the delivery wheel of the hanger machine pulls the wire to the entrance of the hanger manufacturing machine. The hanger is likely to straighten the wire first to ensure that the wire does not distort during the manufacturing process, and at the action of the pressing motor PLC, the wire is accurately fed to the size, cut off and bent into the shape of the coat frame. Production process of quals hanger production line. Processing steps of the coat hanger production line. Raw materials are black wire, electric galvanized wire, hot galvanized wire, stainless steel wire, PVC wire making hanger. Wiring machine hanger manufacturing machine. Steps for the hangers line. Generally speaking, this type of machine is an ordinary wiring machine. Customers need high-end automatic wiring machine. The machine is a machine for making quals hanger, CNC automatic structure. The machine has a high technical content, easy to learn, is an indispensable machine in the hanger production line. Step 2. Hanger making machine. The hanger machine adopts automatic numerical control, smooth operation, and low cost. One machine can produce 35 to 45 hangers per minute. Different sizes of the hanger, different molds are used, and the hanger size of 16 inches is the most common size. The machine uses servo feeding precision, touchscreen button operation, PLC computer calculation count shutdown, automatic alarm shutdown prompt. The raw materials for making the hanger can be black wire, galvanized wire, aluminum wire, 201,300 for stainless steel wire and other materials, according to customer needs to make different material hanger products. Step 3. Packaging and sales. Made of quals hangers packaging. Every 10 bundles can be laid with plastic cloth in the carton, and then put 10 bundles of quals hanger in order, plastic bags, bundle pockets, seal cartons into the warehouse waiting for sale. Why do I choose a quals hanger production line? All the machines support customization. Our company supplies all the raw materials related to the coat hanger, such as black iron wire, galvanized iron wire, PVC wire, 201 and 300 for stainless steel wire, etc. Solve your concerns about purchasing raw materials. The machine parts are made of precision machine tools, and the cutting wire length error is not more than 2 mm. In addition, the clothes rack is formed smoothly. Our machine can change the size and shape of the hanger. Hanger making machine fact. What size can your hanger line produce? Our hanger processing equipment can process 16 to 20 inches. Usually, most customers choose to make 16-inch hangers. Can your factory hanger machine produce the PVC hanger? Our hanger machine can not only make rubber hanger, but also process a variety of wire hanger, galvanized coat hanger, 300 for stainless steel, PVC silk coat hanger, etc. What are the parameters of your coat hanger molding machine? Power is 3 kilowatts. Yield 35 PCS. Min. Line diameter 1.8 to 2.5 millimeters. Weight 1100 kg. Dimensions 150/150/1600 millimeters. Can your hanger processing line process different shapes of the hanger? Yes, of course. Our hanger processing equipment can process different shapes. For example, ordinary 16 inches without concave groove and concave groove shape, corner shape, butterfly concave groove shape. We can design the structure of the hanger molding machine. Molding mode to change the shape and size of the hanger, to change the change of the hanger. In addition to the hanger machine, can you still provide the wire to make the hanger? Yes. In order to meet the production needs of customers and reduce their production costs, we can not only provide customers with hanger making machines, but also provide customers with various wire materials at a competitive price. Can you help to install and debug the hanger production line? Yes. The installation and operation of our Quartz hanger machine is very simple and intelligent. It can guide the online video installation and operation training for customers. If customers need, we can also send technical engineers to guide customers on site and conduct local installation guidance. Hangers processing effect display. Maintenance of the coat hanger manufacturer. If you want your hanger to have a longer service life, then the hanger machine needs maintenance. Here's a maintenance of the coat hanger machine. When the captain stops the time, cut off the power in time. Long-term power supply is prohibited. Lube oil should be added once per shift and added to the machine lubrication place, which can be started for use. Regularly 1 month check the hanger manufacturer gear and grease. When found dry, add butter. The hanger production equipment should be kept clean, dry and well ventilated. Lubricate the transmission part of the crane moving mechanism gear, etc. Regular, high-speed hanger machine. The hanger machine wire hanger machine is a professional equipment that can quickly bend the wire into a hanger. This machine can make all types of coat hanger. You can choose freely. Hangers manufacturing machine. Hanger manufacturing machine, also known as wire hanger manufacturing machine. It can make a variety of hangers in a short time. Hangers production line, coat hanger manufacturing machine. The hanger production line is the sum of the whole hanger machines of various hanger production. He be may run machine